Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can actually go ahead and create a Roblox group, guys. So basically in this video, I'm going to be helping you guys out with the creation of a Roblox group, guys. Now basically a Roblox group, you can pretty much get Robux from the group. You can have people purchase your items from the group, and overall it's very beneficial to the owners of the group because you can get the currency in the game from that group. So you can actually get extra currency like Robux and stuff, and it's just very beneficial to you. There's a lot more features in the group that you can actually look into. So let's go ahead and get right into the creation of the group, guys. So what you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to be on roblox.com, and once you're actually here at the home page, you're going to want to head over to the side panel here with all the options, and you're going to want to go to the obvious, which is groups. Now you're going to want to go ahead and press groups, and once you're actually here, you're going to want to head over to the groups option right here, and then you can see there's going to be, all the join groups that you actually have joined. So what you're going to want to go ahead and do is just create group right here. So press the create group button and then head over there, and then right here you can actually type the name of your group. So type it to whatever your preference is, and then head over, type a description, fill that out, and then here you can upload an emblem. This could be any emblem. You can put a funny picture of your friend, or not necessarily a friend, but maybe like a logo or something. So right here you can actually approve. So let's say you don't want people joining that are random, you could just actually set this to manual approval. So pretty much just go ahead and set that to your liking, and then you're gonna have to pay 100 Robux, guys. So once you go ahead and pay the 100 Robux, the group is actually gonna be fully set up and everything for you to actually be set and go. So it's really easy to actually create a group, and it's pretty straightforward on how to do. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, guys. If you guys found the video helpful, make sure to drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below what you guys actually thought of this video, if it was helpful or not. I like to hear you guys' feedback, but other than that, guys, I'll see you guys for the next video.